Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change edge lighting style in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications and here select advanced settings. Go back and click on notification pop-up style. And here go to edge lighting style, just click on it, and as of now you are seeing basic edge lighting effect. Okay, if you choose other one, edge lighting style will be previewed here. See here. Okay, I choose another one. See the changes here. I choose another one. Now you can choose from the available options. See here. Totally 8 effects are available. From this 8 effect, you can choose the edge lighting style in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Finally, you have to click on done to activate that particular effect. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.